Friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. Welcome back to the new vocab session. Vocabulary, an essential, powerful tool for a German learner. I have written few sentences here. We'll see these difficult words with the help of sentences and learn some new German words. But before we start, I would like to tell you about our new target batches for A1, A2, B1 and B2 levels. Links are given below. You can contact us directly and join our live online classes with me. First word is der ehemalige Student. Der ehemalige Student or Lehrer. ehemalige means ex-student, ex-teacher, जो भी काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, who is not in working mode presently, who is not active. Like ehemalige Student, we say, okay, he was our ex-student, means he passed out, or he is our ex-teacher, he was our ex-teacher, president, prime minister, anyone. Ehemalige means who was earlier, but now he or she is not a teacher or president or prime minister or our minister, any person. It can be used for anyone, whether a student or a professional. Ehemalige. Ehemalige means ex or previous or former. He is our former teacher, he is our former officer. Ehemalige, der ehemalige. Remember this word ehemalige. I have highlighted these words. For your better understanding. Note down these words, very essential for your vocabulary. Auf die Frage antworten und reagieren. To react upon the question and the react upon the question and answer upon the questions. Auf die Fragen reagieren, auf die Fragen antworten. Somebody asks you a question and you react upon that. Ich reagiere auf diese Frage. Ich möchte auf Ihre Fragen reagieren. I would like to react upon your question. Okay? Ich reagiere. Or modal verb, ich möchte auf Ihre Fragen reagieren. Ich möchte auf Ihre Fragen reagieren means I would like to react upon your question what you ask. Reagieren. Okay, reagieren means to react. There is also noun, die Reaktion. Die Reaktion. We can say die Reaktion war sehr spontan. Die Reaktion war sehr schnell. Means the reaction was very quick, very spontaneous. Sehr schnell. This is adjective. Or spontan. Spontaneous. Okay, these are two adjectives. This is the noun. And every noun has an article in German. Die Reaktion ist sehr schnell. Die Reaktion ist sehr spontan. Somebody reacted. Okay, jemand hat mich gefragt und ich habe darauf sehr schnell reagiert. Somebody asked me a question and I spontaneously, quickly reacted upon that. Clear? Next word. Als nächstes möchte ich sagen. Als nächstes means as next. When we give our presentation, when we speak about a topic, we'll say als nächstes möchte ich sagen. Als nächstes möchte ich erklären. Als nächstes möchte ich darüber reden oder sprechen. This is als next means as a next point. As a next point you want to say, as a next point, or this is my next point that I would like to tell. Als nächstes means next, means as a next point. Okay, next point of the presentation of, okay, or next point of your speech. When we give speech, eine Rede halten. What do we say speech? Eine Rede halten. In B2 level, we say eine Rede halten. Okay, eine Rede, die Rede. Okay, we give a speech. Eine Rede halten. One can give a speech. Man kann eine Rede halten. Or ein Thema präsentieren. Ein Thema, das Thema. Man kann ein Thema präsentieren. Präsentieren oder Rede halten. B2, B2 level, Rede halten. B1 level, ein Thema präsentieren. I have made separate videos for B1, B2 exam preparation, especially for speaking parts, speaking tips. Go and must watch those videos. You will find these videos definitely above link. Okay, on above link you can find out these videos. Very essential. Next, Die spürbare Angst. Angst which is spürbare means traceable. A fear that can be traceable, that can be reflected. Somebody is very furious, very apprehensive. He's frightened. Okay, mein Freund ist ängstlich. Mein Freund hatte Angst. Und seine Angst kann man spüren. बहुत डरा हुआ है, उसका डर रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है चेहरे पे, उसका डर पता चल रहा है चेहरे पे. ओके, दी spürbare Angst. Traceable. Okay, traceable fear that can be traced, जिसको देखकर पता चले, that can be reflected. Okay, that can be noticed. Noticeable fear. Okay, noticeable fear. Spüren is again a verb. This is also a verb. Spüren to trace, to notice. Okay, the spürbare Angst, and this is adjective. Spürbare, this is adjective. The word end with bar basically work as an adjective. Spüren, spürbar. Trinken, trinkbar. So many adjectives we can make out of such kind of verbs. Spürbare Angst. Anlegen, verkaufen oder halten. What is this? Anlegen. These are important words related with the money. We invest our money. Anlegen. Geld investieren, or we can say Geld anlegen means to invest the money. We can also use this investieren, but Geld anlegen means to invest money, and then we wait and watch whether I should hold on or I should withdraw my money, because we are waiting for the profit. Gewinn, wir warten auf den Gewinn. Gewinn means to win, profit. Warten auf den Gewinn. We wait for the profit. So we wait whether I should sell my shares, or halten means to hold. I should hold it for another 1 month, 1 year. Halten. Okay, Geld anlegen, to invest. Geld halten means to hold your investment money. And Geld verkaufen means here share. Aktion. What do we say? Aktion is the word share. Aktion. Okay, Aktion or Aktien. Shares in the share market. Okay, share market. We invest our money. Geld anlegen. And the person who invests is called Anleger. Anleger. Mein Freund ist Anleger. My friend is investor. A person who invests is called Anleger. The person who invests money is called Anleger. If it's a female, Anlegerin. And profit is called Gewinn. Gewinn is profit, and Verlust is okay, der Verlust. Profit, loss. Okay, this is profit and this is loss. Now you can see how many words we have learned so far, and this is the way we do in our live target batch, live target class. We not only finish the level, we learn beyond the level, we learn beyond the textbooks and our course books, beyond, and we do lot of things in our target live batches. You must join, and then only you can experience, you can see, and you can notice the difference of our target batch, which is very reasonable and the least affordable fees that I can ask from you. Just a token of my service. Next word. Gewicht verlieren schwer Genie. Genie means genes. Some people lose weight very easily, and some people have to do lot of hard work in order to either lose or gain weight. So Gewicht verlieren means to lose weight. Verlieren means to lose weight, kam karna, and Gewicht zunehmen is to increase the weight. So we are talking about verlieren, to lose the weight. So Gewicht verlieren leichter means easier. For some people it is easier, for some people it is difficult. It is more difficult. It's comparative. Schwerer, leichter. We make comparative by adding er. Adjective plus er. This is our comparative. Comparative. Okay. Das ist größer. das ist kleiner, das ist schneller, das ist teurer. Similarly, das ist leichter, das ist schwerer. More difficult, easier. Some people reduce their body weight lighter easily, and some people find it schwerer, difficult, more difficult than others. And this is because of Guinea. Guinea means gene. Scientific research said it's because of Guinea. It is in your gene, whether you lose quickly or slowly. Der Geruch aushalten. Geruch means stink, stinken. We also say stink, bad smell, stink, der stink. Geruch, bad smell. It's not a fragrance, it's a bad smell. Geruch, stinken. We also say in English, stinken is the verb. Okay, if smell is intolerable, you cannot bear, you cannot tolerate. Man kann nicht aushalten. Man kann nicht aushalten. Man kann nicht tolerate. Okay, bear. You cannot bear this. I cannot tolerate. Aushalten. Der Geruch ist sehr schlecht. Ich kann nicht aushalten. I cannot bear it anymore. You have experienced this. Stink, something stinks. बदबू आना और आप उसको टॉलरेट नहीं कर पाते हो. Ich kann nicht aushalten. Note down these words, very, very essential, very, very important if you have decided to learn German perfectly in a very good manner, efficiently. And do follow me on Telegram for daily quiz. I upload daily quiz questions on Telegram. You must follow and improve your German with me. Next, ein Recht haben. Ein Recht haben. We all have right. Right for a better future. Right for education. So ein Recht auf. Ein Recht auf bessere Zukunft. Better future. Ein Recht auf Bildung. Education. Bildung is education. These are fundamental right to get education. And these are right to speak, right to freedom of speech, freedom of expression. So, ein Recht haben auf etwas, ein Recht auf bessere Zukunft, ein Recht auf gutes Leben, ein Recht auf gute Bildung. We have a right to education, right to have a better future, right to have a good life. So, Recht haben plus auf. Auf is the preposition. Next, mithelfen bei etwas. Mithelfen means to help along with doing something. Suppose I say I want to help poor people. Would you like to help me? Would you like to do with me? Would you like to support my campaign? Ich möchte armen Menschen helfen. Ich möchte armen Menschen, armen Kinder helfen. I would like to help poor people. Ich möchte armen Kinder helfen. Möchten Sie dabei mithelfen? Dabei. Möchten Sie dabei? Means, would you like to help me in this? Would you like to help me in this? Möchten Sie dabei mithelfen? क्या तुम मेरी इस काम में मदद करना चाहते हो? That's all in today's class. If you find it good, informative, like and subscribe the channel. Follow me on Telegram and Instagram for more updates. Auf Wiedersehen. Bye bye.